Good morning, students. Here is your Biology 2302 or Anatomy and Physiology, the second course. And I would like to show you where to find the place to be in our Blackboard Collaborate meetings. And it's going to be right here in Collaborate on the left side of your menu. Blackboard Collaborate, and you're gonna see right here our first session is gonna be the week number 1. But if you have now in your menu the option for Black Collaborate, you can go over your tools, the same place, and then you're gonna find here the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and you're gonna find your session here, right here.